I'm Hillary Mulick and I am a wedding photographer based in the Carolinas, and I love using this channel to share educational content to other wedding photographers. However, this week is my 32nd birthday, my birthday week, and so I wanted to take this opportunity to share a personal video and just share 10 things that are my current favorites right now. Here we go. So my favorite hair product at the moment are these claw clips. I know claw clips have been around for forever, but I just never really knew how to use them very well, and I have pretty thick hair, so I felt like whenever I would use claw clips in the past, it just wouldn't hold my hair very well. However, I recently found these claw clips that open super wide and handle thick hair really well. So I just do this, put it in, and there we go. Obviously, I do it a little bit cuter than that, but I have been loving using claw clips. I feel like it's been a healthier way of putting my hair up versus using a rubber band and probably tearing out some of my hair as I'm tearing out the rubber band. It's really secure. I use these claw clips when I work out. I actually put a claw clip in when I wake up in the morning and I'm making breakfast or just doing tasks that I need my hair out of my face. This claw clip has been really great, and I will put a link down in the description for you if you want this specific claw clip and you have thick hair like me and just need a better claw clip solution. Next, I want to share my favorite book at the moment. Now, you guys know I'm a big reader. Last year, I read, I think, 82 books over the year, and this year we're only like 3 or 4 months into the year and I'm already 25 books in. And so I wanted to share just a current favorite book that I just recently read a couple weeks ago. It was recommended by another fellow wedding photographer and fellow reader, and I'll link her down below. But the book is called Mile High by Liz Tomford, and it was so good. I love romance, but this series is sports romance, and I had never read sports romance before, and Mile High is specifically about a professional hockey player and him falling for one of the flight attendants that is on his flight. And so it was a really cute story, and then there's actually a second book that I read the very following week that has to do with the flight attendant's brother, who is a professional basketball player. So have been loving these sports romance novels that I've been reading lately, and I highly recommend this book, The Mile High by Liz Tomford, and then the next book, The Right Move. Number 3 on my favorites list are microfiber cloths or microfiber towels. I love to clean. I love finding a good cleaning product, and I had just never really used microfiber towels very much in the past, and microfiber towels are so great. They can literally clean everything. I use them to clean windows, clean surfaces. They're really good about cleaning up stuff from Boris. So like when he drools or like flicks his drool somewhere and his drool is on a wall, microfiber cloths are really easy to clean them off of the walls, off the floors. Really good for cleaning around the food bowl. I clean surfaces with this. Basically, I use these microfiber towels so much. I got a pack of like 20 of them from Amazon. I'll link those down below, and I use them all the time. They are the best cleaning product. Number 4, I wanted to share my favorite foods at the moment, and since the weather is getting nice and warm, I love grilling meat. I don't grill the meat, my husband grills the meat, but I make the dinner plans, so I plan for him to grill. And just last week or earlier this week, I can't remember, we grilled chicken tenders and had a side salad and some beans, and it was just so good, felt so fresh, especially with the weather changing into this warm weather. Number 5, can't share my favorite food without also sharing my favorite dessert. And this is a dessert that Jason made, my husband, a couple days ago, and it is so good. They're like these peanut butter bars where he mixed peanut butter and crushed graham crackers as the crust and then melted chocolate and put all the melted chocolate on top, put it in the fridge so that it could harden, and it literally tastes like Reese's peanut butter cups. It is so, so good. I could even venture to say that it is better than a Reese's peanut butter cup, which is really saying something coming from me because I love me some Reese's, but just something about that crunch in the peanut butter from the graham crackers is just so, so good. I'll try and get the recipe from him and put it in the description down below. Number 6, my favorite kitchen product at the moment are wooden bowls. They are just so fun. You can buy them anywhere, or you can get them at like antique places. You can get them in different grains, different colors. And I just love the natural element of having a wooden bowl in the kitchen. I use them to put fruit and vegetables on the counter. I use them to put dips in, put chips in, just lots of different ways to use wooden bowls in the kitchen. And it's just my favorite decor and even just like functional kitchen element that I have in our kitchen and am loving at the moment. Number 7, my favorite room in the house. Just last month, we recently finished my closet. A year ago, I had bought the PAX closet, the closet inserts from IKEA, and I had those in my closet and they work wonderfully. And just this last month, my husband built them in. So built in the PAX closet boxes, and then I painted it all white, and it just looks so, so beautiful. I just love being in my closet right now. And we're currently putting our house up for sale and selling our house, which makes me a little bit sad because I love my closet, and I'm sure in our next house I will make a closet that I love too. But currently, my favorite room in the house is my closet. Number 8, my favorite exercise at the moment is cycle bar, or just any easy way of exercising. And what I mean by easy is just that it doesn't take a lot of effort for me. So I like cycle bar because I literally just show up. There's an instructor that tells you what to do for 45 minutes, and I feel like I get a good workout out of it. I love going on walks with Boris. That's another form of exercise I like. I just haven't, as of late, felt super motivated to exercise on my own or do any sort of exercise. And so I've been just really enjoying just easier forms of exercise and just like getting out and moving my body, whether it be scheduling a class, a cycling class, or just getting out and walking. So that's been my favorite form of exercise at the moment. Number 9, my favorite smoothie at the moment is actually from Clean Simple Eats. It's called their Almond Joy smoothie. It's one of their breakfast smoothies, and it is so, so good. I actually prep them. I prep all the ingredients in mason jars and put them in the freezer, and then when I'm ready to make one, I just take it out, dump it in my blender with some almond milk, and it's really good. It has coconut in it, chocolate protein powder, bananas. It just is the perfect blend of chocolate and coconut, and I think there's some oatmeal in there too. Just a really great breakfast smoothie that is super easy, and I have really been enjoying at the moment. I will put the Clean Simple Eats people down below so you can get the recipe from them. And then number 10, last one, favorite TV shows that I have been enjoying at the moment. On Hulu, I have been watching How I Met Your Father with Hilary Duff, and that has been super fun. I really loved the Lizzie McGuire movies and just everything Hilary Duff when I was growing up, and so it's really fun watching her in this show, How I Met Your Father. That one, because it's on Hulu, it only one episode gets released a week. So on the other side, I've been binge watching iZombie on Netflix. I watched it years ago. It's just one of those shows where you watch it again, just kind of in the background, and you don't really have to pay attention to it because you've watched it before. I feel the same way about the TV show Friends and The Office, Parks and Rec, Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Like, those are just all TV shows that I have watched before, are just fun to just pop in and like pop up an episode and just kind of have it on while you're doing stuff. And so I've been doing How I Met Your Father, iZombie, and then also season 2 of Shadow and Bone recently came out, and I just I'm so excited to start it. The first season came out like 2 years ago and I really loved it. I even was so excited to know what happened that I bought the trilogy because it's based off of a book series. So I bought the trilogy, read those in just a few months, and I finished those a year ago and they have just barely come out with season 2. So I'm really excited to start season 2 of Shadow and Bone. And those are my 10 favorite things that I am really enjoying at the moment. For any links that I mentioned, I will put them down in the description below. And thank you for celebrating my 32nd birthday with me. I will see you again next week for another episode on my YouTube channel. Have a great week. Bye guys.